everyone, welcome to my Passion with Ebydee. Yes, it's good to have you guys back to another unboxing video. Today I've got something inside of this box and I want us to unbox it together. From the title, you know what is already in there. Yes, I've got an air fryer. I've been wanting to have this for a very long time, but now here is it. So let's unbox this together. If you are new on my channel, you're welcome to the channel. Please kindly subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, you guys are the best. So let's see what's in here. Ooh. Guys, this air fryer is bigger than I imagined. It is non-stick. It has a 6.2 liter capacity. It serves 4 to 6 portions. No oil needed, and it has got a 2-year warranty. It has a non-stick basket drawer, which is easy to wash. Yeah, I can tell you that it's very easy to wash, so try as much as you can as well to take out every plastic wrap hidden somewhere in there, because you don't want to burn down the house. The basket is removable and it's non-stick, and also it allows excess oil from food to drain to the bottom of the bowl. One more beautiful thing about this air fryer is that it has a digital touch screen control, which makes it very easy to use. You can use this for your fries, for your shrimps, for your fish. You can grill, you can roast. In my next video, I will show you what I've been able to do with this. I hope you like this unboxing video. I'll see you all in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Till I come your way again next time, stay cool and be happy. Bye-bye.